My doctor told me that if I tried to drive to the city, I would hemorrhage and I would die in the 5 hours it took to get there.
Hi, good morning. We're here in front of the Humboldt County Courthouse with Anna Nusslock. This is a big morning. We've got a big crowd out here to support you this morning, and I've just spoken with your attorney. You learned a little bit more about the case, what you're dealing with today, that is. So tell us more. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling good. My speech went well. I'm excited to see what the Attorney General is going to do. I truly do trust the state, and that the state is going to hold Providence accountable, and Providence will be providing care for women after we're all done with this.
So for people who don't know your story, real quick, can you explain what happened and what led you here?
Absolutely. So last year I had a horrible miscarriage. I was pregnant with twins who I was very, very excited to be pregnant with. And I lost them in a very scary and bloody way. And I went to Providence for help, and they turned me away. They gave me a bucket and showed me the door because they refused to help me because my daughter still had heart tones. And they put my life in so much danger for their religious doctrine. And now on the other side, I was able to get the help I needed at Mad River, but women can't do that anymore. And our only option here in Humboldt County is Providence for help. And so now we're fighting. And we're fighting to ensure that Providence will provide emergency care to people without discrimination, and that includes abortion, because abortion is healthcare.
Right. And the thing that I found stunning when I read about your case was that you had actually, in the moment there at St. Joe's, and correct me if I'm wrong at all, but there was a phone call made to a Bay Area hospital where an expert advised that the emergency abortion was the only remedy, it was the only way to go.
Yep.
And that was agreed upon at St. Joseph, and still they sent you out the door with a bucket of towels.
Yes. UCSF, which is a very, very good hospital,
right,
was consulted, and they said that was the only option. My doctor agreed that was the only option. My doctor wanted to provide that care for me, and the hospital refused to let them. The hospital tied my doctor's hands behind their back, metaphorically, not literally,
sure,
and made me suffer for their religious principles. The hospital's religious principles, not my doctor's and not mine.
And you wouldn't have made it to the city?
I would not. My doctor told me that if I tried to drive to the city, I would hemorrhage and I would die in the 5 hours it took to get there.
Yeah, we are in a rural community, and this is our only option. So people did show up in force here to support you because this is a community issue, right?
Yep. We're here today. We're standing up for all the women in our community, and I think together we can do this.
Okay, thank you for that. Any final thoughts before you go in?
Nope. Looking forward to hearing what happens.
Okay, great. So do I.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.